Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can print text and graphics inline the 3D object surface from Fusion 360. I assume you have a design and you want to put on a graphic or text inline a flat surface. If you don't know how to do that, check my tutorial about that. On the flat surface, I created a graphic design with a sketch, and we want that design printed inline the flat surface. Now we are going to play with the extrude tool. First, we need to cut out the graphic from the surface. I will use a 0.2 millimeter layer height when I'm going to print this out. So I will cut out 3 layers that equal 0.6 millimeters. This is the cut. This looks good alone, but now we want an inline text. So we need another extruding backwards, but now we are going to make the extrude to a new body. The same size, so it goes back to the surface level, and the operation is important here. We are selecting the new body option. Now the base and the graphics are separated to other bodies. The holder itself is in pieces yet. We need to unite them all. Be careful. Don't unite the graphic with the base. Now the base is one body, and the other bodies are the graphic elements. As you can see, all the parts of the graphic is a separated body. Now here comes one key part. On the bodies, we need to make a new group. Check the graphic body parts and put them into the new group we created before. Highlight them with the control button and move them to the new group. Great, now we can use them as one. Now the last part is to select 3D Print from the drop-down menu and do the following. Select the new group that highlights all objects. You can choose your application too. I'm using a Bamboo printer, so my settings are good, then press OK. This will open your selected slicer. In my case, it's Bamboo Studio. Great, now our design is in the slicer. We need to paint the graphic to another color. Click on the object to highlight it, then press the color painting button. And on that, select the fill option. Now you just need to click on the graphic elements to paint the parts you want to have in another color. You will have the design with the colors selected. And as you can see, the graphic is in line with the surface, not a cut, and not out from the line at the top. Let's see the sliced version. It is great. 3 layers from the surface as we wanted. Let's rotate it so it will reduce time and color changes to the fastest with this object. When you design something, you always have to think with the 3D printers aspect. How can your printer print the object fast and with less waste? If I wouldn't rotate the object, it would need more than 160 color changes. That's a lot of time and a lot of filament poops. So don't forget this when you design something. With the rotate, the color changes will go down only to 5. Compared to the previous 160, it's almost nothing. Now let's see the first layers. 3 layers in. Great. This is how I wanted. We just need to adjust the settings how we want to print it out, then ready to roll. And the result is here. Tell me what you think.